A 146,000-year-old skull discovered in China's Peilong Dalhousie has raised new questions about our understanding of human origins, which we've held for over a century. This skull doesn't resemble any known human species, leading to speculation that our belief in modern humans evolving from Homo sapiens could now be under scrutiny. This discovery might signify a significant turning point in the study of human evolution. Back in 1933, during the war between China and Japan, Japan launched an assault on northeastern China. In response, the locals began constructing an emergency railway bridge over the Harbin-Songhua River to protect themselves. During this construction, one day, a worker stumbled upon a mysterious skull. Excited by what he had found, he kept it a secret and took it home, wrapping it in cloth and hiding it near his house, where it remained concealed for nearly 80 years. Years later, on his deathbed, the man recounted the story to his grandson, urging him to safeguard the skull. The grandson initially believed it to be a valuable artifact. However, in 2017, news of the skull reached China's Department of Tourism and Research, prompting them to send it for study to Hebei University. Upon conducting carbon dating, scientists were astonished. The skull contradicted what we knew about human evolution. Unfortunately, the skull was incomplete, making it difficult to derive clear conclusions. The scientists attempted to match it with 95 different human fossils, but none aligned. Even with advanced methods such as three-dimensional scanning, the skull couldn't be linked to any known species. Every approach led to the same conclusion: a groundbreaking discovery. As a result, scientists had no choice but to name it Homo longi, also known as Dragon Man. The name wasn't derived from the skull's size but from its location, near the Songhua River, often referred to as the Dragon River. While scientists declared it a new species, the discovery raised further questions. Was it truly a new species? Or could it represent another branch in the human evolutionary tree? This uncertainty rekindled the age-old debate between polygenism, which argues that different races evolved from separate species, and Darwin's monogenism, which posits that all humans evolved from a single species. The discovery of Dragon Man poses a direct challenge to our existing knowledge of human evolution, especially since the skull displays traits from both Homo sapiens and Neanderthals. Early humans, such as Australopithecus, who existed around 3.3 million years ago, evolved from chimpanzees. These hominids used basic stone tools, and their brain sizes grew to about 400 cubic centimeters. Over time, our ancestors became more adept at hunting and crafting tools, further developing their brains. Roughly 1.8 million years ago, early humans evolved into Homo habilis, becoming skilled hunters with a brain size of 600 cubic centimeters. These early humans began walking upright, and by 1.3 million years ago, Homo erectus appeared. These early humans discovered the use of fire, developed communication, and crafted survival strategies. This communication helped their brains grow larger, eventually reaching 1,250 cubic centimeters. From this evolutionary line, two intelligent human species emerged: Homo neanderthalensis and Homo sapiens. However, Neanderthals eventually vanished, leaving only Homo sapiens behind. The exact reason for their disappearance is unclear, though some theories suggest interbreeding with Homo sapiens or struggles in adapting to environmental changes. Despite this, the discovery of Dragon Man has introduced a new element into the understanding of human evolution. Anatomically, Dragon Man shares features with both Homo erectus and Neanderthals, such as larger teeth and pronounced brow ridges. Scientists are still working to fit Dragon Man into the evolutionary tree, but it undeniably challenges what we know about Homo sapiens evolution. If this mystery remains unresolved, it could significantly affect our understanding of genetic mutations in human evolution. Genetic conditions like lactose intolerance, which impacts 68% of the global population, especially in Africa and Asia, are directly tied to human evolution. Studies show that as European populations began farming, their bodies adapted to digest milk, becoming lactose tolerant. This is evident in countries like Denmark and Sweden, where lactose tolerance is more common than in Asia. By studying human evolution, we can track the causes of various genetic mutations and potentially uncover solutions for certain diseases. For instance, scientists in the UK recently developed a method to prevent genetic diseases by using mitochondrial DNA mutations. Through this technique, they created a three-parent baby, ensuring the child wouldn't inherit genetic diseases. If this video taught you something new, be sure to give it a like. Subscribe to stay updated with future content, and as always, keep learning and growing. See you next time.